Good morning and a very warm welcome. I am Pratosh Sharma with you and you're watching News Flash. Telugu superstar Allu Arjun was released from Hyderabad jail on interim bail after being arrested in connection with a tragic stampede during Pushpa 2 promotion which claimed a life. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar informed Lok Sabha that disengagement agreements with China cover Depsong and Demchong, ensuring Indian forces patrol up to designated limits. Maharashtra's BJP-led government will expand its cabinet on December 15 in Nagpur, adding around 30 ministers ahead of the winter session. French President Emmanuel Macron appointed centrist Francois Bayrou as Prime Minister, tasked with resolving France's political crisis after Barnier's no-confidence ouster. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 167 projects worth Rs 5,500 crores in Prayagraj, including AI tools for Mahakumbh Mela 2025, praising workers' efforts. The Indian government stated that only 19 Indians remain in the Russian armed forces, with most discharged as per MOS External Affairs Lok Sabha update. Syria's interim government vowed to rule of law post-Assad regime's fall as citizens celebrated an end of decades of oppression and 14 years of war. US Secretary Antony Blinken aims to unify Middle Eastern nations post-Assad, urging Turkey to stabilize Syria and avoid power vacuums for extremism. A murder case was filed against PTI chief Imran Khan, his wife and aides over paramilitary deaths during Islamabad protests last month. 3 Indian students were murdered in Canada, prompting India's Ministry of External Affairs to address safety concerns with Canadian authorities and support victims' families. Around 30 Delhi schools received bomb threats via email, triggering multi-agency searches. With no suspicious items found, the police are investigating. As India evacuated 77 nationals from Syria after rebel forces ousted Assad's regime, Ministry of External Affairs emphasized citizen safety in the face of escalating violence. Nobel Peace Prize laureate Narges Mohammadi vowed continued resistance against Iran's regime, denouncing mandatory hijab laws and capital punishment. US President-elect Donald Trump pledged strict deportation policies, using military forces if needed against undocumented immigrants and uncooperative countries. The Election Commission directed Delhi CEO to ensure thorough voter list revision for 2025 polls, responding to BJP concern about fake voters. So that's all for the headlines of today. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.